let's do Q&A. We've got about 15 minutes. I saw Mr. John Hutchison, and I believe Nancy is with him. I saw him enter the conference, which is awesome. We've got about 15 minutes. Let me go to Robert first, though, for Q&A. Robert, go for it, sir.
Hey, Todd.
Yeah.
I like to do that 3D model for you. I use SolidWorks.
Oh, cool.
So I don't know if you have SolidWorks. I could send you the assembly, or just send you pictures, whatever you want.
I have Fusion 360.
Never heard of that one before.
It's AutoCAD.
Oh, really? I didn't know they made another one.
Yeah, it's the hobby version.
Oh, all right. I have the commercial version of SolidWorks. Maybe I can make a step model for you or something.
Yeah, step DXF or F3D is what they call it in Fusion.
Okay. How about if I send you my email through Tim, and then we can converse that way?
Yeah, or just paste it into chat, Robert. That'll work.
All right. Here it is.
Okay.
Good deal.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, and again, we're taking questions for Todd. We've got just about 15 minutes here.
Yeah, I have a question. What do you think the purpose of the Slayer Tesla coil circuit is for the center disk?
It creates negative pulses. It gives this middle disk a negative charge, but it also, if it's being pulsed in synchronous with the ultrasound or the vibrations on there, that's great. It's just a big speaker.
Don't you think you should be looking for the resonant frequency of the disk in the electromagnetic spectrum as well?
No.
Because what you saw with the piezoelectric, with the ultrasound transducer, can also be reproduced, much higher frequencies in the electromagnetic spectrum. Then you'd have electromagnetic waves that are coming off the disk that are standing in space that the spinning magnetic field can then latch onto.
Yeah, but they're just radio waves.
Oh, radio waves are
Microwaves, which I don't want to mess with. Yeah.
Yeah, well, anything that makes a flying saucer work, you might not want to mess with if you want to stand right next to it, because people have had pretty bad experiences getting close to flying saucers.
Exactly my point.
Yeah. Well, let me see. Oh, Harold has a question. Let me go to Harold. Sir?
Hey, Todd. You're doing good
Harold,
work
how you
as
doing?
usual. Question for you. Have you done any evaluation on the revolution per minute, the RPM of the disk versus the bias DC, how it fluctuates, how it varies, whether the force increases or any effect?
Not yet. I understand exactly what you're saying. No, I haven't done it yet. And mainly because what I've seen so far hasn't given me anything to measure. But I found out that part of the problem is because of the way I did my design with the motor sandwiched between the two discs, right? I need more than 20 kilovolts to get that Corona glow. All right. If I bring them closer together, I can get a Corona glow, but I got to flip my whole thing upside down and do it the other way. But I have an equation, and it's the same equation that I found in a paper for a lifter. And it says that the force is proportional to the amperes times the distance between the electrodes. So I wanted more space, but I can't get any current at that space at 20 kilovolts. So I need to crank up the voltage until I can get some amps to flow across that gap. And that's what I don't have that yet. So I ordered some power supply equipment that hopefully will be here next month.
So basically you want to get a static field effect in there to make it going?
Yep.
That's a good
It's
approach.
very much like an amplified lifter with a giant speaker and an amplifier.
That's a good metaphor.
Rock and roll.
Way to put it. Hey, thank you. Good work.
All right. Take care.
Awesome. And thank you, Harold. Okay, so other questions, guys, other questions, comments, thoughts on the Graviflyer, anything that Todd can answer, provide insights or guesstimates on. I'm going to throw guesstimates in there. Elzbieta, go ahead, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, that's great job. Thank you very much. Just got a quick question. Do you work with Charlie, who bought the device from
we chat all the time.
Oh, okay, that's great. Good to know. Thank you.
Yeah, we're both working on it.
Yeah, and Charlie
that's good.
He may even be here today. I'm not sure. Let me see. Nope, he is not here. But I did message him, actually. He's in WhatsApp, and so I pinged him with the link. So
yeah, we've been in constant communication about all the details and what I could do and what he's doing. I'm taking a different approach because I've dissected the thing down to the top disc, the bottom disc, the magnets, the ultrasound. I'm taking it apart piece by piece, looking for what is giving it the thrust. And what I'm finding out is all the parts fit together and do something. And I think when you get it really resonating and ringing, it's gonna fly. So I haven't done it yet.
let me go to Richard Muller. Sir? Oh, Richard,
Here I am.
There we go. Okay.
Hey, Todd, did you try doing all of the different techniques, or do you just do one at a time?
Right now, I've only done the one at a time, and I just slapped these slides together 2 days ago. So
do you have plans to do all through? Okay.
Yeah, I have plans. I just have to get higher voltage and more distance because I really want to when I get it to fly, I want to stick it to the ceiling. I don't want to just, oh yeah, I lost a couple of grams. I want it to actually work. So that's my goal.
Thank you, Todd.
And thank you, Richard. Thank you very much. And welcome back, sir. Okay, so let me see. More questions for Todd. We've got about 7 minutes left. And more questions, comments, thoughts about the Graviflyer, anything that Todd can provide insights on.
Oh, I think Tim and I are going to be on the Singularity Lab on the 17th of March.
Oh, that's right.
Talk about warp drive. Which,
yeah,
I've never been on there before, so it's going to be interesting, and I hope I get a few words in edgewise, and it'll be fun.
Yeah. Let me back up. No, you will get many words in edgewise. You were the primary person. I'm just a tag along. I'll just cheerlead. I'll wear my little cheerleader outfit with my pom-poms.
I wasn't. No, I wasn't referring to you specifically.
Oh, yeah.
Show.
Yeah. So no, I'm just there as moral and emotional support. So you'll have to fight with Michael. That'll be head to head.
Oh, that'll be fun. It'll be fun. I like talking about warp drive. It's my favorite subject.
Well, and Michael Mataluni is actually he's brilliant. I believe he's a writer, but then he's been in media forever too. So he's a wonderful person. And then Chris Plain also over at the Singularity Lab. I love Chris. He's awesome as well. So I
watch the show. So
yeah.
Good show.
Okay, well, I think we're probably about 5 minutes early, but I'd like, if possible, why don't we just go to John Hutchison now? So let me do this. Let me put this thing back on gallery view, and I see Nancy there in screen, but everybody please give Todd another hand.
Thank you,
sir. Thank you again. And
John's in the potty.
Okay. And that was the opening. That was the intro. No, Nancy, I'm just teasing you.
That's fine. He's taking care of business.
Here, so let me spotlight your video. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna change the lighting here so you can see us better. Okay. The lighting and changing it, and I put something there you sit on so you're a little higher. So
Yeah,
go sit there.
And Nancy,
Okay.
thank you for coming as well. Mark Sokol said that what he said when I mentioned that John was coming back, right?
He's getting there. There he is.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to ABC World News.
That's better. We got a little bit of light.
Okay. Well, you know, I should do an intro for a man who needs no introduction. Let me start this out. Actually, you guys are spotlighted. Let me remove your spotlight. That way I can that way they'll see me when I'm talking. But